I know a day is gonna come. I know a day is gonna find you when bells will ring, sweet as things. I know a day is gonna come. I know a day is gonna come. I know that promise will come. I know that promise will come. I know that promise it will find you. The truth will bring sweet as things. I know that promise.
I'm so glad today has finally come because I get to interview Diane Greenberg. She's going to be at the Sacred Sexual Music Festival here in Ahihic on April 16th. So let me tell you a little bit more about Diane. Diane did tantra training with Charles and Caroline Muir in her 20s. And her real strong focus is really supporting women in a holistic and healing approach to their sexuality. And man, we need more of you, Diane. And she has this beautiful Yoni Butter that she's created and she'll have available at the festival. And as I mentioned, she started teaching the sacred art of the Striptease. And it was such a beautiful course. I learned so much. I bought your DVD, Diane. So let me introduce you to the beautiful, the fabulous, the dynamic Diane Greenberg. Diane, welcome.
Thank you, Wendy. So yeah, well, women, we sure need a lot more of all of us. And my journey really began with Lafayette Morehouse, where the most important thing I learned was how to make requests. And what I discovered was that under the umbrella of communication lives sex. And the more we know how to be clear about what we want and how we'd like it, the more enlightened and fulfilling all of our relationships with everyone can be. And my primary focus continues to be on women. My sense is that that's where we get the biggest bang for our buck, if you will, when it comes to attending to what do women want. Then it goes back to their children, to their workspace, and absolutely to their partners, husbands, or lovers, or all three. And I was very interested in the art of the striptease. And what I realized is that when women are turned on, they unite. Distinct from when men are turned on, men typically isolate.
Interesting.
And with women, it's like, if you've ever seen a video or in any regard, a show of male dancers, the women are like, yeah, they become best friends and the crowd becomes alive. So I really acknowledged that when I was in the stripping industry, my attention were always on the women. How could she have the most fun? Of a better word, I created Yoni Butter, and it has become a solution for so many women of so many ages for so many reasons. I love this. And if you want to talk to me about your vaginal tissues, it's one of my favorite conversations. And I happen to have something to say to women or men about her vaginas.
Beautiful.
That said, men love Yoni Butter, but what we're going to talk about at 3 is another fun conversation. And I hope you'll all come and participate together with me at the Sacred Sexual Music Festival. Of breath and meditation, we can let go of the stories. Is it too big? Is it too small? Am I too wet? All that stuff, and really drop in a little more deeply. So that's a piece of what I'm going to bring on the 16th at 3:00.
Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm so looking forward to your offering. I'm so delighted you agreed to present. And folks, don't miss it, April 16th at the Villa del Angel, the Villa del Angel, here in Ahihik. Come join us. It starts at noon, ends at 8, and Diane will be on at 3 p.m. See you there. Thanks, Diane.
I know a day is gonna come. I know a day is gonna